Hello and welcome back. You join us here in Villeneuve in France. After a weekend away for a family wedding, it's time to pack up and head home via Jersey for some fuel. Join us as we fly through France, VFR. After a thorough walk around of the aircraft, I topped up with fuel at Villeneuve to enable us to get to Jersey. Refuelling in France is usually an easy self-service with a fuel card, and this is exactly the case here. Fuel is more expensive in France, hence the decision to stop off in Jersey, as well as to break up the journey. I filled the customs paperwork out the night before, and we set off on the short hop to Bergerac airport to get our passport stamped before heading up to Jersey. One thing I love about flying in Europe is the ease and accessibility of most airports. Bergerac, which is a small commercial airport, happily welcomed general aviation, and for our landing and customs stop, it only cost us €10.
Degrés, QNH 1020. Informé Bergerac, different contact 20 Charlie. Good morning, this is Bergerac Charlie information, 0830 RNP approach runway 27, runway 27 news. Runway surface condition, code 666, issued at 0523 UTC. Transit level 60, caution bird hazard, ILS 27 is unserviceable. Wind 010 degrees, 8 knots, visibility 10 kilometers. Ceiling broken, 2,300 feet, overcast 2,800 feet. Temperature plus 19 degrees, QNH 1020. Informe Bergerac en initial contact you receive. Charlie information. Bonjour, ici Bergerac, information Charlie.
Pilot aware.
Bergerac Tower, bonjour, Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima, stand Golf 4. Information Charlie, QNH 1020, request start.
Golf Lima Lima, startup approved.
Startup approved, Golf Lima Lima.
La tour de VFR, bonjour.
Et VFR, bonjour.
Pour procéder point d'attente alpha pour l'Italia.
Et procéder point d'attente alpha, traverser la piste, rappeler chemin nord.
Reçu pour VFR.
Bergerac Tower, Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima, request taxi.
And Golf Lima Lima, would you agree with the runway 09 departure?
Yeah, we can accept runway 09, Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima.
And Golf Lima Lima, taxi holding point alpha runway 09, report ready.
Taxi holding point Alpha runway 09, report ready, Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima. Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima, holding Alpha, ready for departure.
And Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima, line up runway 09 and wait.
line up and wait, runway 09, Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima.
Golf Lima Lima, runway 09, cleared for takeoff, wind 330 degrees, 8 knots, previous traffic on initial climb, will leave CTR by the east.
Visual with the traffic, cleared for takeoff, runway 09, Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima. And Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima, routing towards November Whiskey.
And Golf Lima Lima, report November Whiskey.
Wilco, Golf Lima Lima. Are you able to activate my flight plan, please, Golf Lima Lima?
It's activated.
Merci beaucoup, Golf Lima Lima.
Golf Lima Lima, you are leaving the CTR. You can leave my frequency with a squawk 7000. Flight information service available with Aquitaine on 120.575. Bye bye.
Squawk 7000 and Aquitaine information 120575. Thanks for your help. A bientôt, Golf Lima Lima.
You're welcome, à bientôt.
Pretty much took a direct track from Bergerac to Jersey at 2,000 feet VFR. France has lots of flight information frequencies who offer a flight information service or a basic service to British pilots, to general aviation. These are usually staffed by an air traffic controller, so transits through airspace are a breeze and easily requested too. We had no problem with transiting any airspace at any point and enjoyed the views of France up towards Jersey.
Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima, 10 minutes to Minky.
Copied, Lima Lima, that's perfect. I'll call you back within 2 minutes to contact Jersey.
Roger, Golf Lima Lima, merci. Can you see Jersey over there? Oh yeah. I don't know what that is, it's lovely, isn't it? It's cool. And Ren, Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima.
Golf Lima Lima, contact Jersey 120.305.
Just confirm the frequency, I've got 125.205.
120.305.
120.305. Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima. Au revoir, merci.
Au revoir.
Jersey, hello, Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima, 5 miles south of Minky. We have information information echo, QNH 1023.
Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima, Jersey approach, good afternoon. Foxtrot is current, it's alerting service, squawk 3620.
Alerting service, squawk 3620, and we'll get information, Foxtrot, Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima.
Golf Lima Lima is identified, just again your altitude, QNH 1023.
We're altitude 2,000 feet, QNH 1023, Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima.
Golf Lima Lima, thank you, cleared to route to Corbière Lighthouse, VFR, not above altitude 2,000 feet.
Clear to route Corbière Lighthouse, VFR, not above altitude 2,000 feet, Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima, thank you.
Easy 29 November Yankee, turn right heading 210 degrees, descend to altitude 3,000 feet.
On heading 210 degrees, descend to 3,000 feet, 29 November Yankee. Golf Lima Lima is entering controlled airspace radar control service. Report when you have the island or airfield in sight.
Radar control service, we're visual with the island and we're visual with the EasyJet on final, not quite visual with the airfield. Golf Lima Lima.
Golf Lima Lima, roger.
Jersey Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima, visual with Jersey Airfield.
Golf Lima Lima, thank you. And you're just becoming number 1, that EasyJet's just about to land. So continue direct to final, runway 08.
Continue towards final for runway 08, becoming number 1, Golf Lima Lima.
Golf Lima Lima, contact Jersey Tower 119.455.
Contact Jersey Tower 119.455, thanks for your help. Golf Lima Lima, bye. Jersey Tower, good afternoon, Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima.
Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima, Jersey Tower, good afternoon. Report final, runway 08, surface wind 020 degrees 9 knots, variable between 320 and 050 degrees.
Report final, runway 08, Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima.
Easy 29 November Yankee, taxi stand 13.
13, easy 29 November Yankee.
Traffic 2 o'clock, 4 kilometres, 1,000 feet below.
Golf Lima Lima, turning final, runway 08.
Golf Lima Lima, thanks. Runway 08, cleared to land, surface wind 010 degrees 7 knots, variable between 310 and 060 degrees.
Clear land, runway 08, Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima.
500.
Traffic 1 o'clock, 3 kilometres, 400 feet below.
Reds, blues, 3 greens. All good in the back?
Yeah, all good, mate.
Lima, taxi to the Aero Club.
Taxi Aero Club, I think we had a booking 13Z for fuel at stand 20. Do I have to go to the Aero Club first?
Lima, negative, you make a right turn, taxi stand 20.
Right turn and taxi stand 20, thank you, Golf Victor Alpha Lima Lima.
I absolutely love landing at the coastal airfield. It always feels like you're flying around a tropical location on a nice day. We had pre-booked fuel at Jersey, which was completed on an aircraft stand when we flew in, so we taxied across to fuel up before a toilet break at the Aero Club. It was a very pleasant trip, and we only had one leg left until home. Join me again on the next video for our final trip back from Jersey to Lyon-Solent IFR. As always, thanks for watching and see you all again soon.